Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm Ella, and in this video we are going to learn how we can add lighting, hidden light, indirect light to our wall. It's very simple and super useful. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, this is a very simple room that we have created here. Actually, it's 4 walls and a ceiling and a floor. And we're going to test our lighting in here. We're going to put it above this profile. Select your wall and go to its edit type. In here, go to edit. For adding light to your wall, you need to go to sweep. As you can see, we have another profile in this part. It's exactly this classic profile. We have added and adjusted to our wall, and now we have it all around our room. And we're going to use the same technique. By the way, if you want to learn how you can create this kind of profile, you can watch this video here where I explained about 4 different most used profiles in Revit. I'm going to explain a part of it in this video, but if you want to learn more in detail, go watch that. For adding a LED or hidden lines to our wall, we need a profile. We need something to add in this part with a specific dimension. If you click on this add here, you will see another row added here. If you click on profile section, you can see all of the profiles, and honestly we can't use them as a lighting profile. So we need to create it ourselves. For creating your profile, go to File and create a new family on Profile. In here, first set your unit. Depending on your light, you are going to create a square, rectangle, or circle profile. In here, we are going to create a little rectangle here, maybe less than 2 centimeters. Actually, we can control its dimension as well. So go to create, select line, select rectangle, and create one in this part. Go to create again, and with aligned, create a dimension in these parts and make them equal. Create another one, select it, and turn it into a parameter. Let's call it width. And do the same for the other side as well. Let's call this one length. Now you have a rectangle profile and you can control it easily. If you want your profile to be exactly aligned with this line, you can create it completely on one side of this central line. But this way works as well. We can change its dimension and distances. Save your profile and load it to your project. In here, select your wall again, go to Edit Type and Edit. Click on Sweep and load your profile first. Now click on Add and from Profile section, select your profile. This is the profile that we have created. Click on Apply. And as you can see, our profile is in this part. Now, how we can bring it up to here? First, we are going to change this part. We are going to set it to top. As you can see, it's on exterior. So change it to interior and let's apply again. Okay. Zoom in. Do you see its location, its alignment with this wall? If you have created an only one side of that central line, we would have it exactly on this wall, but now we need to move it away. So you can control it with this distance option here. Let's test 10 centimeter. Now if you want to move it away from this wall, you can control it with offset. Let's try 3. Okay. Now how we can use this as a lighting object? It's exactly here. You just need to change its material to a lighting luminance material. If you want to know how, just click on this material here, create a new material for it, change its name, click on this asset. In here, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you can find these bulbs here. If you want to use them, just click on this icon here. In this part, you can change their color, you can control their reflection, and also if you open this part, you can control its luminance and intensity, and also you can add a color if you want. Let's try a warm color for it. Check this box if you want to see the color of your material in graphic section. OK, apply, and OK. As you can see, we have it here, but we have this overlap in this part, and as you can see, it's a bit large for this part and also for our wall. There is an indirect way to change its dimension. You need to go to Families and Profile section. Find your profile, right click and select Type Properties. Now with these two parameters that we have created on our profile, you can control its dimension. Let's go with something like this. And if you apply, you will see it change immediately. Now we need to set dimensions again. Go to Edit Type, Edit, change its view and put it on section if these are not active. Click on Sweep and change its distance and change its offset as well. Okay. Now let's test it in Enscape. Press Shift and right click to change your lighting to night. Without changing any other setting or dimension, you can see that we have this beautiful lighting here. And if you want to change its color, you can just easily go to your material and give it a filter. Maybe something like this. Apply, and perfect. There are lots of creative things that you can do with this option, and as you can see, it's super fast and super easy. So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful for you and you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.